falling off.
Oh, we
Hold
gotta
on.
go more towards this way, then.
I got it. All right.
Don't lose it.
I'll try not to. Where are you going?
This way, yeah.
Float across, idiot. All right. Oh my gosh. It's cold. It's really cold.
I burnt my skin off on my own skin.
Yeah? Okay. Here, you stay over here with them while I get over.
Okay. You just go ahead and go cross over. Don't leave without me.
That's what I'm gonna do. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Yeah. Wait, over here, just for a minute.
I can't see where I'm going.
Alright, you got it.
I really can't see where I'm going.
You got it. Just float across. You stay here, because you can't go with us. You got it. Alright, come on.
Oh, it's so
No, it's good. Can.
Yeah.
That's good.
I love these bottoms. They look so good on me.
Real. Butterfly. Alright. Let's hit it. Alright, you ready?
I guess so. So fast.
Okay. It's a little flooded today. I said it's a little flooded today.
Still can't hear you. This waterfall's too loud.
Wait till we get to the top. Whoa. Okay.
I swear if I fall, you better get it on video.
Alright. You good?
Yeah.
Alright.
Really hard to get up.
Yeah.
I'm going this way.
Alright.
Easier.
Got it? Whoa, whoa. Okay. Alright. We're still going.
Ice just flashes from my eyes right now.
Alright. Let's hit it. There's the path up there.
There's a what?
The path.
Oh yeah, I know.
We're going this way though.
I want to go through the path.
No, come on.
No.
Come this way. Alright.
Dude, the water looks like diarrhea.
Real. There's a log.
What?
A log fell.
Oh no. That's been there.
I mean, duh. There she blows.
Did you see if anyone's up there?
There is.
No, no one's up here.
Yeah, there is.
My legs are already ready. My legs are ready to be ready.
Okay, come on. Alright. There's people up here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off.
I'm gonna laugh when you fall, you drop that in the water.
You know what? Hush. I got this. I don't want to put it on. Alright, you put it on this time.
No!
Yeah. Alright, ready?
Go.
Can you see?
What?
Can you see? Oh yeah, you can.
Alright. We're gonna go up the trail. Are we gonna go around it?
Around it. Oh my god.
Alright.
We need to find a way to like cross over that one part of
Where? Are we gonna go up where we went last time?
Yes, up.
Ooh. Alright, get up. Alright, hold. Here.
Oh.
Oh, bad. Alright. You go first.
Jesus, I didn't say fun. Oh, this is so sweet.
Alright. There's everybody. Hey! Hold up.
Ah. Oh.
Is it still recording? Yeah. Alright, hold on. Let me put it on my head. There we go.
Oh, it's actually scary.
No, we're not gonna go there. Gonna go up here?
Go around it.
Yeah.
Because last time we got stuck.
Yeah.
I just heard my neck crack.
Look at how beautiful. Alright.
Ooh, maybe we could go up there.
No, let's not hit that. Let's go. Up.
I swear, if he uploads this to his YouTube, I'm actually gonna cry. Bamboo! I got bamboo!
Alright.
Wow, something. Wow. In my foot. Oh, God.
Are we going all the way up there?
Yeah.
Alright.
I think this is the way to the very top of the waterfall. Ooh, I can't look down. It'll make me unsteady.
You tell me what's up there. I'll wait right here.
I don't think we're gonna be able to get it. Maybe we can, yeah.
You go up there and tell me what's up there. Alright, come back.
There's no more path, it's just rock.
Alright. Let's go back.
It's gonna be so hard to get down.
Just get on your arms and legs.
I'm getting anxiety from this.
You're chill, you got it.
Huh?
I said you're chill, you got it. Alright. You're already there. You got this. Come on.
Ooh, this is so hard. Oh.
Alright, let's go back to the waterfall and then we'll go back down and check in with them.
Okay, we'll go
Leave the GoPro and then we'll come back.
and we'll go down to the trail.
Maybe.
I want to try the other thing, the other part again. Where we got stuck.
Nah. Alright.
I mean, you never know.
Nah.
I might try it.
Listen. You do whatever, but I'm gonna go back down here.
Okay, you sound ghetto.
Sorry, I'm not meaning to. I'm just really scared.
I'm gonna have to put my hair back up.
The bees.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to put my chocolate in my hair.
Oh, look how pretty. Alright, you going up?
Yeah. No, it's like very nice.
Yeah, and it's slick. Alright, you coming?
I'm getting anxiety coming back here.
Alright. Let's go down.
I'm getting anxiety coming down here.
Ooh.
Oh, look at this.
What? Pose.
Huh?
Pose.
What?
Go up there and pose.
Oh, pose?
Yeah. Say cheese. Alright.
Okay. Yeah, you look hilarious.
Alright.
They look like
Whew. Woo. Bubba. Babu. Bubba, bubba, babu. Alright, whoa. Alright. That's the video. That's the conclusion.
Are we gonna go through the trail?
Alright, hold up. How do you... Alright. Your turn. Alright, we're gonna go in the water. Look at those beautiful...
Yeah, you are.
Go out there and go swim.
Ah!
Go swim.
Fine.
Let me vlog you.
Okay, you can call me. Is that beautiful?
Yeah. Alright, come do me.
Yeah, I know that was beautiful.
There's a fish. Alright, come on.
I couldn't think of anything to do.
Alright, you wanna go back down?
Yeah.
All
Now
right.
we're gonna go on the trail.
No, I don't wanna go on the trail.
Why?
Because the trail's boring. Alright, let me put my head thing back on.
Yeah, you put your head thing back.
Alright, let's go.
And you put that back on.
Oh.
That is crazy! That's the fish.
Did you get your claw clip? Oh. Ow, I hurt my toe.
Imagine getting something stuck in your foot.
Oh, look how beautiful.
Oh, I know. Oh, I'm going this way.
I'm going the scenic route.
Come on. Wow. are you going?
The scenic route.
The fetus group?
Scenic. Hi. We're good. How are you guys?
Good.
Need a help?
I think I'm okay, but I don't want to get you.
No, you're good.
Okay.
No, you're good. Beautiful.
Oh, that is so pretty.
Ugh.
Oh,
Oh, look how pretty.
wow. That's gorgeous. I like the view.
You like the
That's
view?
view.
Let me get the whole thing.
You get a picture of it?
Yes, hold on. I'm enjoying the moment. Alright. There you go. Huh? You can go.
Oh, okay. I was really staring at his face. You didn't see it.
Totally.
Can we go play the waterfall?
Yeah, let's go. What? I didn't see it. Go.
I slipped and fell into my foot. Let's try to
I didn't see it. Oh, look at the mini waterfall.
the waterfall. Mini waterfall.
Oh, look how beautiful. No, I didn't get it. I'm sorry. You fell. Woo. That's just out of the puppies.
I've been falling like, oh my god, I've been falling like, please tell me you got either of the camera.
No.
The camera's not even on.
Yeah, it is. It just goes black after a little bit.
Oh, you gotta tap it.
No, I got it's good. It's good. It's good.
The slices!
I go. Ugh.
Hope I don't
You wanna race? Go. Alright, butt slide, go. Whoa. Whoa. Alright. We're gonna pause? Oh,
You want a car?
I said pause.
Yeah, I want a car!
Yeah. Alright. Oh, okay. Yeah, I got that one on camera. Alright. Take a minute for the scenery. Oh, they're taking pictures of it.
Well,
Dog. I'm just gonna act like I'm not looking. Alright. Get the scenery. Oh. Woo, woo, this is oh god. Are you gonna go down the waterfall?
Yeah.
Go. Go, go, go.
That's a dead spot for me to go.
Where are you going? We go this way, idiot. Up here.
You love me, I love you too, I guess.
I said up here. You idiot.
Oh, there's a trail up here.
Ugh. Yeah. That's for people who are dumb.
Yeah, you're right. There's no trail.
Well, actually, yeah, it's up there.
No, I thought he was right there.
Alright, let's go.
But like you're wobbling.
Oh, I see spiders.
Wobbling and wobbling. Wobble, wobble. Oh, happy puppet.
Whoa. Whew. I almost just fell. Where are you going?
This way.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Alright. Walk across. Oh! I got it. Alright, go. Oh, how beautiful. Just beautiful. I almost just fell down a waterfall. Alright, go. Oh, look how beautiful. It just takes a minute. Look. How beautiful.
I guess I'm just so famous. Everybody wants to take so many pictures and videos of us. Hey, we get to go down for the turret.
Not with the GoPro on. Are you joking?
I'm so excited. Oh, you.
We should have brought our floats.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go down the turret.
Alright. I'll go the boring way.
What?
The boring way. I'll go the boring way. Woo, woo.
There. Maybe you guys make it here.
Nah. Alright. I'll GoPro you going down. Alright, hit it.
What?
Go. I'll GoPro you going down. Go. You got it. Go, Chica. I don't see you. Go. Woo. Oh. All right. Oh. All right. Let's go. Ow. Ah. How beautiful. I got you good shots. Hold on. Ah. We had to like take a couple videos because people kept looking at us. You went down that. Ow. This is so hard with a GoPro on my head. What?